Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we're learning a simple and quick way to add cells in Google Sheets. Have you ever needed to sum up numbers in your spreadsheet quickly? With Google Sheets, adding cells is super easy and efficient. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking expenses, or working on any data that needs quick calculations, this trick will save you time. Even if you're new to a spreadsheet, you'll be able to follow along and start summing up data like a pro in no time. So let's dive in and master the art of adding cells in Google Sheets.